What a fine fellow, said his name was Hades. Picked me up in the back of his Mercedes. Long hair looking like Jesus, baby. Guess I'll go, yeah, guess I'll go, yeah, yeah. Making out with that hungover mouth. Put his hand round my neck, no doubt. Says I got a place way down south. Guess I'll go, yeah, guess I'll go, yeah. All of the girls wearing long white dresses. Did you say we're alone? Quit messing. He doesn't know I'm a jealous type. His face made me wet when you pull out a knife. This is a cold. Give me your old. I don't play nice and you're not listening. I'll be the first one to steal all your bitches. This is a cold. Take me home. Won't work for you, won't make you no money. Get on no force, work like a dummy. Now we're all taking turns on the pony. Put a saddle on him, feed him macaroni. Pull his teeth out one by one. Make him smile, yeah, make him smile, yeah, yeah. Judy, Margaret, Lisa, and Sunny. Threw a flower on him, looked like a mummy. Crack some eggs on his bruised up tummy. Let him cook, yeah, let him cook, yeah. All of my girls wear whatever they wanna. No men allowed 'cause they wanna control us. We grow our own food and don't need no money. Everything's free and we have our autonomy. This is a cold, or is it on? We see the future and get what we want. We killed the leader and now we're on top. This is a cold. Can I come home? We make the rules and we love on the land. We fuck ourselves better than they can. This is a cold. Give me your old. I don't play nice and you're not listening. I'll be that first one to steal all your bitches. This is a cold. Take me home.